Severe thunderstorm warning on Kansas I-95.
The National Weather Service with a temperature of 50. Thunderstorm warning for Bladen County in southeastern North Carolina until 7 p.m. At 5:58 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Abbotsford, or 9 miles southwest of Elizabethtown, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Elizabethtown, Rowan, Bladen Borough, Carvers, Bladen Community College, Lisbon, Abbotsford, Dwarf, Emmett, Butters, Lagoon, Elkton, Emerson, Kelly, Tubermory, Ruskin, White Oak, Jerome, Clarkton, and White Lake. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7 p.m. for the following county: Bladen, North Carolina. The following is a high surf at